Hi guys, Lens here, and I am going to show you how to update your Samsung Galaxy S9. We currently have on this device One UI version, which is Android 9, and this one is One UI 1.0. So we have a new update, and I am going to show you how we can do so by going to software update here, clicking download and install. Then you can see we can schedule the update or we can install now. I am going to click install now. So the phone's starting to update. I know most of you out there may not be a tech person and may afraid to want to update your device, but you can do so step by step using this video. And also you can make sure that your battery percent is above 50% when doing any update. So guys, my name is Lens. Hope this was helpful. I'm out.